This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Povidone Iodine Gargle. First, ensure you have the correct concentration. Many products require dilution with water before use, typically 1 part solution to 2 parts water. Always check your specific product's instructions carefully to ensure proper and safe preparation. This initial step is crucial for effective and safe application. Once your solution is prepared, pour approximately 15 milliliters into a cup. Take a comfortable amount into your mouth, tilt your head back, and gargle vigorously for 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure the solution reaches the back of your throat without swallowing. After the recommended time, spit out the entire solution into a sink. Do not rinse your mouth with water immediately. For general oral hygiene, gargle 2 to 4 times daily, or as recommended by your healthcare professional. It is often most effective when used after brushing your teeth. Consistency is key for optimal results. If you experience persistent throat discomfort or your symptoms worsen, please consult a doctor promptly for further guidance and assessment. Remember, it is absolutely vital never to swallow the povidone iodine solution. Ingesting it can be harmful. Also, be aware of potential side effects like irritation or allergic reactions. Discontinue use if these occur. For more information and other great deals, including how to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.